There could be times where you would like to practice throwing, catching or rolling at home, but you can't find any balls around the house. Today, I will share with you how you can use household items and turn them into balls so that you can practice throwing, catching or rolling. First, over here is a sock ball, a shirt ball and a blanket ball. A sock ball is small and light. It's good for kids to practice throwing and catching when they first start to do it. It's manageable. A shirt ball is slightly bigger and heavier. It's good when kids have learned throwing for some time and they want to have a better feel of the items in the hand. Because it's heavier, as they move the hands around, they can feel the weight better. Here, blanket ball is good when you need to practice overhead throw, or you just need a medium-sized ball to practice rolling or throwing and catching. Let me go through with you first how to make a sock ball. To make a sock ball, first you need a pair of socks. A pair of socks consists of 2 socks. Put one on top of the other. Next, roll or fold them down. Once you reach here, you will see that there's a hole. This hole is normally for you to slide your foot in. All you have to do is to open it, go over the sock, and there you go. You have a sock ball. Next, a shirt ball. For a shirt ball, all you need is a t-shirt. Okay, so you fold it into half. Next, you fold it down. After that, you halve the shirt, so it looks something like this. Next, you hold the end so you will not open up. Twist the top, and then you also twist the bottom. Next, you will pass it through the hole. Pull it a bit, make sure it goes through. Then, shape it. And there you go, you have a shirt ball. A blanket ball. What you need is a blanket. You can use a child's blanket that will be big enough to make a medium-sized ball. If you want to make an even bigger ball, then you just need to get an even bigger blanket. First, you spread it out. Next, what you do is to halve it. And then you halve it again. And then you halve it again. Until it becomes something like this. Once you have done that, it's about the same as a shirt ball. You hold it up. Okay, put your hand through here, just about half of the hand, not the full hand. Twist it. Okay, you can hold and then try to twist the hand also. Be careful, when your hand is through it and you continue to twist, your hand may get stuck. So you may need to take your hand out a bit. Okay, twist it. Then after that, same. You put it through the hole here and pull it in. Once you have done that, just shape it out a bit. And there, you should be able to roll it. Hope this helps.